Imagine facing a blazing furnace for your faith. In the book of Daniel, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego stood boldly against King Nebuchadnezzar's order to worship a golden idol. Refusing to bow, they were thrown into a fiery furnace, but God was with them. Miraculously, they emerged unscathed, untouched by the flames. Witnesses saw a fourth figure, likened to a divine being, walking among them. Their courage led to a profound revelation of faith, showcasing that true belief can conquer even the fiercest trials.